Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. That I am providing very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign up for myself, and it's a multitasking is a wisdom. With that said, I also wanted to quickly add a small note that in early session I wanted to include songs like how high I've been singing songs in previous sessions, but for some reason when I was uploading the video, it came with the content ID for that particular Christian song which I was singing, and I don't know what the content ID meaning. I was doing some homework, I could not understand it. So I just deleted the video and I removed the singing part of it. But I just wanted to convey at this point of time with the YouTube teams that all the Christian songs are online and it's always in the books. So I was just singing the common Christian songs which is online, and I don't know why they have to provide that content ID flag. So it is everywhere. That songs, all the songs are very common Christian songs, and everywhere so people are singing those songs. So I don't know why. So maybe it was by mistake or not. I don't know. But from my end, I just deleted it and then I edited the video and I just put it on that end. So that is this part of the session is to be on the same page with the YouTube teams. Okay. Other than that, I do a random search for the images, like, and then pick it and then use it in my editing part of it. And I always write that on the very last sentence. I use images from the online education services. So that's all in the to be on the same page. But then, other than that, what this session is all about, in true Christianity, it is crime when Christians don't know that there should never be COVID-19 plague in any corner of the earth. That is the deadliest crime. And for that crime, it's a birthright. It's a birthright for each and every single Christian should have been known with that for that birthright that there must never be any COVID-19 plague of any form or any versions or any variations any corner of the earth. So that is the deadliest crime. So because of that crime, I, Vedapriya Pro se, want Pope Francis to pay me tax-free $1,500,000 trillion direct deposit to my check, direct deposit to my banking account. And Pope Francis, being God of USA, he failed to be God of USA, right? That is a crime too. So because of that crime, I want Pope Francis to resign immediately. So I will quickly read through this civil justice write-up, okay? In true Christianity, it is crime when Christians don't know there must never be COVID-19 plague in any corner of the earth. And for Christians worldwide don't know there must never be COVID-19 plague of any versions or variations anywhere in earth. As of April 12th of 2021, Pope Francis must pay me tax-free $1,500,000 trillion direct deposit to my bank account. And Pope Francis, being God of USA, failed in God of USA job, must resign now. And I, Vedapriya Pro se, only is aware there must never be any COVID-19 plague any corner of the earth, must be the Vatican leader now, is civil justice served, and Pope Francis must resign now. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now, my dear fellow mankind.